Hello everyone, my name is Lekon from Bit Service Center, and I'm here to talk to you today about the reasons why you need to change your oil often. So why do you need to change your oil? Well, you need to change your oil because the oil serves as a coolant for the engine. The oil serves as a coolant for the engine. As we have the blood running through the human system, so we need to have the oil running through internal of your engine. You have to have your oil in the engine every now and then to prevent excessive friction in the engine, because without the oil in the engine there will be so much friction in the engine and damage the engine. So what happens if you delay your oil change? Well, there are some adverse effects to a delayed oil change. The manufacturer recommends a particular time and a particular mileage for you to change your oil. So if you don't change your oil as at when due, first of all, it will increase the fuel consumption of your car. Your fuel consumption will be increased because you have to change your oil as often as the manufacturer said. You have to change your oil often. So once you don't change your oil as when due, it will increase the fuel consumption of your car. Well, another thing that can happen to your car if you don't change your oil as when due is that it will increase the friction in your engine. It will increase the friction in your engine. Over time, there will be excessive friction in your engine compartment. There will be excessive friction which can lead to a damaged engine. Another thing that can happen when you delay an oil change is that there will be a build-up sludge in the engine. So after using a oil for too long, the oil begins to moisturize and builds up sludge. So once you don't change the oil as at when due, it builds up so much sludge in the engine and on the long run damage the engine. What are the time you need to change your engine oil? You need to change your engine oil quarterly or biannually, or the manufacturer can also recommend you changing the oil at 3,000 miles or 5,000 miles. So you have to change your oil as at when due. You have to monitor your oil change to change your oil as at when due so as to avoid costly repairs on your engine. So if you change your oil often and you service your car often, it will reduce costly repairs on your engine. It will reduce unforeseen circumstances of engine breakdowns and all. So you have to change your oil often and maintain your car often.